In a world where political power often outpaces legal scrutiny, there was an undeniable truth that the integrity of justice is being tested by those who wield unchecked influence. But here's where it gets controversial. Former FBI Director James Comey was indicted following intense public pressure from President Donald Trump, whose administration accused U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi of prosecuting him and 2 other political adversaries. This case has sparked debate over whether the lines between accountability and executive overreach have blurred. Comey was charged with 2 counts, fabricating a false statement and obstructing a congressional investigation. His defense claims he denied wrongdoing, citing testimony from September 30, 2020, where he testified that he did not authorize the leak of information to the media about an FBI investigation into the Clinton Foundation. However, his deputy, Andrew McCabe, later claimed he authorized the leak, though the Justice Department Inspector General found multiple false or misleading statements. The statute of limitations for these charges expired Tuesday, leaving Comey with a maximum of 5 years in prison if convicted. Trump celebrated the indictment, emphasizing its significance in upholding the rule of law. Bondi stated that the case reflects the Department of Justice's commitment to holding individuals accountable for their actions. Comey denied the charges in a video posted on Instagram, stating he stood by his testimony. However, his case has raised questions about the limits of legal oversight when powerful figures threaten to undermine democratic institutions. In a separate development, former Attorney General Lindsay Halligan, now acting as U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, brought charges against Comey despite concerns within her department. A senior official noted that Halligan's prosecutors had sent her a memo documenting why they believed probable cause did not exist to secure an indictment. Halligan clarified that the case represents a breach of the public trust at an extraordinary level. This case has also led to at least 1 resignation. Comey's son-in-law, Troy Edwards, resigned as a federal prosecutor after the indictment, citing his oath to uphold the Constitution and the country. Trump acknowledged that he could get involved if he wanted to, though he emphasized Comey's character as a bad person. He further stated that Comey is a sick person, highlighting the complexity of the legal and political landscape. For Comey, longtime federal prosecutor Patrick Fitzgerald has applied to the court to represent him, calling him a prominent critic of Trump. In a statement, Fitzgerald called Comey's denial of charges in their entirety and expressed hope for vindication in the courtroom. The case underscores the ongoing tension between executive authority and judicial accountability. As the president appointed Halligan after expressing frustration with her predecessor, who had not pursued fraud charges against Comey, Trump's decision to appoint her highlights the challenges of balancing political pressure with legal independence. Halligan's actions have drawn criticism for prioritizing political interests over the rule of law.